Hey, it's Heidi from A Lively Hope, and today I'm going to do a walkthrough of my latest completed art journal. This one has taken me quite a while to fill up. I just kept starting this one and then coming back to it over the past couple of years probably, so it has changed in purpose over time. But I did just finally fill it, and I'm excited to show it to you. This is a Strathmore watercolor paper 400 series. I do generally work on watercolor paper in my art journals. So we'll just get started. Some of these are really just places to play around. This is just acrylic. I have been working on developing my landscape style. So that's what I originally started this book to be, but then decided to change it a little. Here's some flowers. And then I just moved into more kind of abstract doodles and just kind of a place to get out ideas and kind of play. This one had several layers before it became what it finally turned into. This is collage. These were made from a stamp that I carved. Actually, I have it somewhere close. And just doodles and a quote. The best antidote I know for worry is work. The best medicine for despair is service. The best cure for weariness is the challenge of helping someone who is even more tired. Some weird light stuff happening here. Let's see if I can fix that. And again, just playing. I got a new watercolor set, and this was all the colors. I think twice. So it goes here to here and then starts again. These were fun. All the details on these birds. This is from when the war in Ukraine just had begun. Some more watercolor doodles. This is acrylic and then a white gel pen. And I think this is white ink. Another kind of messy landscape. Just doodling. I was having some really big emotions about some things going on in our lives, and so I took just various pens. Underneath is a big thick Sharpie, and then there's another size Sharpie, and I just wrote indecipherably every direction, kind of expressing the emotions I was feeling and trying to get some of that tension out. So this is just layers and layers of kind of messy emotional processing. And I did really feel a lot better after. This was on the anniversary of my grandfather's passing. I was thinking about him, how lucky I am to have something that makes saying goodbye so hard. That's from Winnie the Pooh, actually. This was left over from a project I did with my kids. We had a ton of tissue left over, so I just collaged it in here. Kind of playing with layers and colors and lines. There's another one. This watercolor is really bad. We were on a trip and I realized I had forgotten my watercolor palette. And my cute husband is like, well, we can't have that. And so he went to the closest craft store he could find, and all they had was a really just horrible set of watercolors, but we work with what we have, right? I really liked this one. Thinking about parenting and how much of our time is spent just in awe and wonder at how cool our kids are, and then how much is taken up with worry. It's wonder and worry woven. Lots of botanicals. This is just messing around. Acrylic doodles. This is the horrible set of watercolors again. A little trip to the ocean. And that's it.